In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter spreadsheet data in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing a small project or dealing with an extensive dataset, filtering can be an indispensable tool for quickly sorting through your data. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to begin by opening your Google Sheets document. This could be any spreadsheet where you need to filter data to make your information more manageable. Once you've got it open and you're looking at your data, the next step is to select the range of cells you want to filter. You can either highlight this range or simply click on any cell within your data table to enable filtering for the entire sheet. Next, navigate your cursor up to the menu bar at the top of the screen and click on Data. From the drop-down menu that appears, click Create a Filter Shumpit. What this does is to add a little filter icon, which looks like a triangle with a line beneath it, to the top of each column within your selected range. It's a visual cue telling you that the filter is now active and ready for use. Now, to actually use the filter, you'll need to click on this triangle icon within the column you'd like to filter. This action will open the filter menu, which allows you to narrow down the data displayed according to your criteria. At this point, after the filter menu has opened, you're gearing up for the next essential part of the process. The filter menu has an option called Filter by Condition. Clicking this will open a list of possible conditions you might want to apply. Make sure to choose the condition that best suits your needs. It could be anything from viewing data that equals a specific value, data that's greater or less than a certain number, or any other criteria that are relevant for your analysis. Once you've decided what you want to filter by, it's time to set your specific criteria. Enter the details depending on the condition you've selected. This might involve typing in numbers, words, or even using specific parameters. Finally, after you've set everything up and you're satisfied with your chosen criteria, go ahead and click OK. This will apply the filter, allowing you to see only the rows that match your specifications. This step is incredibly useful for making your data manageable, highlighting specific trends, and helping you focus on the essential information. And there you have it. You've successfully filtered data in Google Sheets, making your analysis that much easier and more efficient. I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and happy data handling!